Hurricane Dorian is on his way.
Okay, we're getting ready for Dorian to land here in a couple days. We definitely have some wind, and but it's still a beautiful morning out here in Key Largo. We're going to experience 15 to 20 mile-an-hour winds, and it kind of looks like it may not hit here, but we're definitely praying for the people that are on the Miami coast. So let's cross our fingers that we've got this serious hurricane coming in right now, Hurricane Dorian. We're going to have to head on back and go take care of stuff, but thank you for being out here. Ginger and I appreciate
yes.
you coming out, spending
love
a little
you.
time with us. We love you very much.
Hi, Doug.
I love you.
Hi. Hey. I love you. Love you. Right.
I was sorry to see Shiseido go. We've been having such a great time spending time together. But this storm is too much. It's unsafe. It's best that she goes home. So away she goes for now, but Ginger and I are left here, and we're going to make the best of it. Prepare for the worst and hope for the best. So let's get started.
Okay, we're down here at the Caribbean Lounge, sipping on a couple margaritas. Well, actually, these are pina coladas. And we're hunkering down on Dorian that's coming through here on Tuesday. So as you can see, the weather is super duper nice, and
Beautiful.
yeah, the weather's beautiful now, but it's going to change pretty quickly here. So we're going to enjoy the beauty for the moment, but prepare for the worst. So let's hope that we're not going to have an evacuation, and we can hang low pro here.
Apparently, iguanas live on this property. This one is a very big one. This is approximately 3 feet if it didn't lose its tail before. I think they are sensing that there may be a storm coming, so they're coming out of hiding. This one clearly is not scared of me that much. Anyway, as he heads up for this tree here, I think he's probably has some friends over there that we're hopefully going to be able to have a chance to see sometime soon. But in the meantime, we're just going to enjoy the beauty of the wildlife on this island. Well, as we head out into the ocean for a nice little kayak trip, we can't help but reflect on missing Shiseido and hoping that she gets home safe, and how lucky we are to have some great weather today. So we're going to take a little stroll and then head on back to the house and get prepared for tomorrow.